A lot of us traders have issues with lot sizes. And so I have decided to take my time and do this video to explain all that you need to know about lot sizes and how to choose the right lot size for your account. Now, lot sizes are also called volume of contract. If you already know more about lot sizes, I will still ask you to stick around and watch this video to the end. I'm sure you'll get something new from this video. So today we are dealing with lot sizes. Now, before you can buy or sell any currency pair, you need to select or choose a lot size, or you need to tell the broker the volume of contract that you want to sign or you want to go into the market with. The volume of contract. You need to tell your broker that, okay, this is the volume of contract I want to go on this currency pair. So the volume of contract is the same as lot sizes. Now, when it comes to lot sizes, I want to stick around the standard accounts. If you should open a demo account or a live account today, you will probably have selected a standard account. We also have other accounts like a cent account and the rest, but I'm not talking about those ones. I'm talking about a standard account. Now, with a standard account, the minimum lot size that you can get begins with 0.01. That is the minimum or the least lot size you can use on a standard account. So it means the minimum lot size or the lot size you can begin with will start from 0.01. So from 0.01, it goes to 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, 0.05, 0.06, 0.07, 0.08, 0.09, and then 0. If you will say it's 10. 0.10 or 0.10. And then after 0.10, it continues to 0.11, 0.12, 0.13, 0.14, 0.15, 0.16, 0.17, 0.18, 0.19, and then 0.20. And then it continues 0.21, 0.22, 0.23, 0.24, 0.25, 0.26, 0.27, 0.28, 0.29, then 0.30, 0.30, 30. Then from there it continues 0.31, 0.32, 0.33, 0.34, 0.35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and then 0.40. And then it continues 0.41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and then 0.50. And then it continues 0.51, 0.52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and then it gets to what? 60, so 0.60. And then it continues from there to 0.61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and then we get 0.70. Then in that order, 0.71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, then it gets to 0.80. And then 0.81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, then it gets to 0.90. Then 0.91, 0.92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, then it gets to 1.00. Then from 1.00, it goes to 1.01, 1.02, 1.03, 1.04, 1.05, 1.06, 1.07, 1.08, then 1.10. Then it gets to 1.10. Then it continues 1.10, 1.11, 1.12, 13, 14, 15, 16, so it gets to 1.20. then 1.30, 40, 50. You get the scenario until it gets to 2.0. You get it. Then from there to get to 2.01, 2.02, 2.03 in that order. So that is how the lot sizes are arranged in numerical order from 0.01 up to infinity. Now, the question is often not just the lot sizes, which we have just written here. It's often not the problem. The problem is how much a lot size will cost in real money. That is often the challenge people have. And so let me take it step by step. Now that you have known the arrangement of the lot sizes, let's look at it like this. Let me label here lot. Then let me label here too as pips. And then finally, let me label here as what? Amount. Okay. So what it means is that if you are using the least lot size, which is the 0.01 here, 0.01, if we are using the standard amount, there are some currencies that they have a standard amount, like Euro USD or GBP USD. They have standard amount. So let's consider using Euro USD or GBP USD. Let's see the value of these lot sizes in real amount. So assuming we are using Euro USD or GBP USD, for example, if you use a lot size of 0.01, one pip will be equal to an amount of 0.10 cents. So 0.10 will be called 10 cents. You often don't call the zero. So 0.10 means 10 cents. So if it goes 2 pips, that will be 0.20 cents or 20 cents if you put it. If it goes 3 pips, that will be 30 cents. 4 pips will be 40 cents. 5 pips. So let me do it step by step so that I don't want you to have problem with lot sizes again after watching this video. So let me just go back and then we do it. So if it is 2 pips, okay, if it is 2 pips, then the amount is going to be, okay, if it is 2 pips, then the amount is going to be what? 0.20, which is the same as 20 cents. If it is 30, if it is 3 pips, if the trade gives you 3 pips profit or loss, it's going to give you what? 30 cents or $0.30. $0.30 is the same as 30 cents. Okay. Now, if it gives you 4 pips profit or 4 pips loss, that is going to give you how much? 40 cents or 0.40. As in how much? 0.40 cents or $0.40. So if it goes 5 pips, that would be 50 cents. If it goes 6 pips, profit or loss, that would be 60 cents, just with this lot size alone, just with 0.01. 4 pips will be 40 cents, 5 pips will be 50 cents, 6 pips will be 60 cents, 7 pips, 70 cents, 8 pips will be 80 cents, 9 pips will be 90 cents, and then 10 pips will be $1. So 10 pips with that lot size will give you $1. 10 pips will give you what? $1. 1. Or you can better say 1.00. Okay. So that is with a lot size of 0.01, which is the least one. So with the least one, you know that 0.01, 1 pip will give you 10 cents. 2 pips will give you 20 cents. 3 pips will give you 30 cents. 4 pips will give you 40 cents in that order. Now, assuming you are going to use 0.02, because after 0.01, the next lot size is 0.02, 0.03, 0.04 in that order till it gets to 0.10 or 0.10. Then it continues to 0.11, 0.12 in that order. So if you are not going to use 0.1 and you are going to use 0.2, so if it's going to be 0.02, which is the next after 0.01, after 0.01, we are going to 0.02. So 0.02, 1 pip will be how much? 1 pip should give you 20 cents, 0.20. Pardon me if my 2 is not nice. So 0.02, 1 pip will be 0.20 or 20 cents, because 0.01, 1 pip is what? 10 cents. You get a scenario. 0.01, 1 pip is what? 10 cents. Then 0.02, 1 pip will be what? 20 cents. If you are using 0.03, then 1 pip will be what? 30 cents. Is that clear? 0.30. If you are using 0.04, 1 pip will be what? 40 cents. 0.05, 1 pip will be what? 50 cents. If you are using a lot size of 0.06, 1 pip profit or loss will be what? 60 cents. If you are using 0.07, 1 pip will be equal to what? How much? 70 cents. 0.08, 1 pip will be what? 80 cents. 0.09, 1 pip will be what? 90 cents. And then 0.10, which is here, 1 pip will be how much? 1 pip will be what? $1. Pardon me. Sorry. So 0.01, 0.10, 1 pip will give you $1. 2 pips will give you $2. 3 pips will give you $3. 4 pips will give you $4. 5 pips will give you $5. 6 pips will give you $6. 7 pips profit will give you $7. 8 pip profit will give you $8. 9 pips profit will give you $9. And 10 pips profit will give you $10. The same way, if it's a loss, it's going to be the same. If you lose 1 pip, you are going to lose $1. 2 pips loss will be $2. 3 pips loss will be what? $4. 3 pips loss will be 3. 4 pips loss will be 4, in that order. Now, after 0.10, you know, the next lot size you can get is 0.11. After 0.10, we go to 0.11. Then 0.12, 0.13, 0.14, 0.15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 0.20. Do you get it? So supposing you are using 0.11 as a lot size, 1 pip will be equal to what? How much? If 0.10, 1 pip is $1, and then 0.1, 1 pip is also 10 cents, then 0.11 is going to be 1.10 cents. Is the calculation clear? Simple mathematics. 0.01, 1 lot size is what? 10 cents. So that is the one here, 11. 1 stands for 10 cents. Then 0.10 stands for what? $1 is equal to 1 pip is equal to $1. So 0.11, 1 pip is going to be 1.10 cents. 0.12, 1 pip will be equal to what? 1.20. $1.20. 0.13, 1 pip is going to be $1.30. 0.14, 1 pip is going to be $1.40 or 1.40 if I'll put it right, $1.40. 0.15, 1 pip will be equal to 1.50, right? $1.50. 0.16, do I say dollars? 0.16 pips lot size, sorry. 0.16 lot size. 1 pip is going to be what? 1.60. 0.17 lot size. 1 pip is going to be 1.70. 0.18 lot size. 1 pip is going to be what? 1.80. 0.19 lot size. 1 pip is going to be 1.90. And then 0.20 lot size. 1 pip is going to be how much? $2. 1 pip is going to be $2. And then 0.21, 1 pip is going to be 2.10 cents. 0.22 as a lot size, 1 pip is going to be 2.20 cents. 0.23 as a lot size, 1 pip is going to be how much? 2.30 cents. 0.23, 1 pip is going to be what? I think you get it. So that is the calculation. That is the arrangement. So in that order, once you understand this scenario, you can continue on and on and on and on and on. So what it means here is that if that becomes the case, then what it means here is that if you are using a lot size of 1.00, which is the standard lot here, look at it here. If you are using 1.00, 1.00, one pip is going to be how much? Just do the calculation. Per what we have done so far, if you are using that lot size, 1.00, which is this one, 1.00, 1 pip is going to be equal to what? $10. 2 pips is going to be $20. 3 pips loss is going to be $30. 4 pips loss is going to be $40. 5 pips profit or loss is going to be equal to what? $50. 6 pips profit or loss is going to be equal to what? $70. In that order. So if you have an account of $100 and then you choose to go with this lot size or this volume of contract, which is 1.00, then it means in just 10 pips, your $100 is gone. Or in just 10 pips profit, your $100 becomes $200. So if it goes 10 pips against you, you have lost your $100. If it goes 10 pips in your favor, you've gotten $100 profit by using 1.00. The same way, if you use 0.90, one pip is going to be what? $9. If you use 0.80, 1 pip is going to be $8. 0.70, 1 pip is going to be what? $7. 0.60, 1 pip is going to be what? $6. 0.50, 1 pip is going to be what? $5. 0.40 here, 1 pip is going to be $4. 0.30 here, 1 pip is going to be what? $3. 0.20, 1 pip is going to be what? $2. And then 0.10, 1 pip is going to be what? $1. It's going to be $1. 0.10, $1 per pip in that order. So it is easier with this, as I have explained, for you to know how much you will be making if you choose any of these lot sizes. Because if you know that, okay, you have $100 account, and then you know that if you are using 0.20 here, 0.20 as your lot size. Let me clear this. If you know that you have $100 account, okay, $100. And then the question is, what lot size would be appropriate to use? Let's assume that you just decided that you want to use 0.20 on that account. Then it means what you are saying is that every 1 pip win or loss will give you what? $2. If you win 1 pip, you have made $2. If you lose 1 pip, you've lost $2. So with this, if the trade should go in your favor or against you, $100 pips, that will be how much? 100 pips is going to be $200. So if the trade should go against you 100 pips, you are going to lose $200. Meanwhile, your account is just $100. Do you get a scenario? So if you have an account of $100 and you use this lot size, there is no way you can set a stop loss of 100 pips. Because if you set a stop loss of 100 pips, it's not reasonable. Because a stop loss of 100 pips is $200. Meanwhile, your account is just $100. So it means the lot size you can choose, the maximum lot size you can choose for 100 pips if you are to use this lot size is going to be 50 pips. So it means 50 pips with this lot size will give you $100. So it means if you have $100 in your account and you still want to use this lot size, which is 0.20, then it means when the trade goes against you just 50 pips, you are losing all your $100. Now, what if you choose to reduce this lot size? Maybe you don't want to use 0.20, but maybe you want to use 0.15. 0.15, then what you are saying is that one pip is going to be 1.50 cents or $1.50. So if $1.50, then 100 pips will give you what? 100 pips will give you $150 by using this lot size. 100 pips will be what? $150. And if your account is just $100, then it means it will not be reasonable to use this lot size and be targeting a stop loss of maybe 100 pips, because a stop loss of 100 pips is already $150, and your account balance is also just $100. So in this case, it means if you want to use a stop loss, you may have to use a stop loss around maybe 50, because 50 pips stop loss is going to be $75 if you should have this lot size. This is just taking one trade with this lot size, So assuming you decided to take 2 trades with this lot size, 2 trades with this lot size alone is no more 0.150. 2 of 0.15 will give you 0.30. So it means that indirectly, you are not just taking a trade with a lot size of 0.15. Indirectly, the 2 trades will amount to 0.30, because 0.15 plus another 0.15 will give you 0.30. And you know that 0.30, because you have 2 trades on, your lot size is now 0.30 indirectly. So 0.30, if it should go against you 1 pip, 1 pip is going to be what? $3. 1 pip is going to be $3. So 100 pips is going to be how much? $300. Do you get a scenario? Okay. One will say that, okay, I used a very small lot size, and then before I realized, my account got wiped off. And then you find out that maybe the person used a small lot size, maybe 0. Let me type, that one will be better. Maybe the person used 0.05 or 0.3. Let me even say 0.3. Okay. The person used 0.03 as a lot size, but he ended up entering maybe 4 trades with this lot size. So 4 trades with this lot size, what it means is that you have entered 0.03, another 0.03, which is 2 trades, another 0.03, making 3 trades, then another 0.03, making 4 trades. Now, if you add all these lot sizes together, it means in real terms, the person entered a lot size of what? 0.12. Because 0.3 plus 0.3 will give you 0.6. Plus another 0.3 will give you 0.9. Plus another 0.3 will give you 0.12. So it means all the 4 trades that he is having on, it's not just 0.03, but it is what? 0.12. So 0.12, what it means is that if the trade should go against you, because you have all these 4 trades on, which amount to this lot size, then what it means is that if this trade goes against you 1 pip, then how much will you be losing? You'll be losing $1.20 per pip. You'll be losing $1.20 per pip. So assuming the trade goes against you 100 pips, that will be how much? That will be $120. just the trade going against you 100 pips, you are losing $120. Meanwhile, your account balance is just $100. So that is the mistake most of us traders do. We always try opening more trades. And so when you open more trades, you need to sum up the lot sizes and see in total what will be the lot size that you are using. So assuming that you know that the best lot size to use or the maximum lot size to use is maybe you want to use up to 0.05. That is the maximum lot size you want to use. Listen carefully. If the maximum lot size you want to use is 0.05, then what you can choose to do is that you can choose to enter just one trade with 0.05, or you can enter 3 trades, or let me even begin here. You can enter 5 trades with 0.01, 0.01, another 0.01, that is 0.02, right? Another 0.01, making 0.03, another 0.01, making 0.04, then another 0.01. So by using 0.01 as a lot size, you can enter up to 5 trades with 0.01. You can enter up to 5 trades. So if I enter 0.01, 5 trades, and then you also enter just 0.05, 1 trade, we are all equal. Because your 0.01, 5 trades will amount to my 1 trade, which is 0.05. So we are all the same. Although I took just 1 trade, you have taken 5 trades. But your 5 trades will become just my 1 trade. Another person can decide to use 0.02, another 0.02, and then a third trade, which is 0.01. So another person can choose to enter 3 trades. If you enter 3 trades like this, 0.02 plus 0.02 will give you 0.04, plus the 0.01 will give you 0.05. So you have decided to use this, put in this number of trades. The first person put in this, I also put in this. We are all the same. When you calculate all the lot sizes, we are all going to get a similar profit, because your 0.01, 5 trades will amount to my 1. And then your 3 trades will still amount to my 1 trade. Another person can choose to enter 0.03 and then 0.02, 2 trades. And your 2 trades will still amount to just one of this. Because 0.03 plus 0.02 is the same 0.05. It's the same as this person here, and it is the same as this person here. Do you get a scenario? So you have in mind that your total lot size wants to be 0.05. So you can choose to just enter 1 trade with this, or you choose to enter it like this, or you go this way, or you go this way. It all amounts to the same thing. It amounts to the same thing. The last person can choose to go this way. 0.04, 1 trade, then 0.01, 1 trade. And this will also amount to the same 0.05. So we are all thinking of entering a lot size which has a maximum of 0.05. These are the 4 or 5 ways we can enter, and it will still be the same as 0.05. Because 111115 will give you 0.05. 221 will give you 5, which is the same as 0.05. 32, which is 5, will still amount to this one. And then 41 will still give you 5, which amounts to this one. So when you are entering trades, you need to be careful and know how you want to enter your trade. The kind of lot size you want to use as a maximum. You need to decide, you need to ask yourself, so that you don't end up choosing a lot size that will not be appropriate. Sometimes the person has in mind that the maximum lot size he wants to use is 0.05. and then he enters a trade with this lot size. Before he realized there's another opportunity that has come. Meanwhile, he has exhausted 0.05 already. And then he still thinks of maybe adding another trade, which is another 0.05, because he only entered one trade. That is the danger we put our accounts in every day, especially when we come across other opportunities. We are forced to burden the trade or to go outside the comfort zone that we created or we decided we wanted to follow. So if you are that type of trader, then I would suggest that if you get the first trade, you can choose to enter maybe 3 trades with this 0.013 and leave out 2, 0.01. So that when you see another opportunity, you can choose to use the 0.01, the remaining 2 on that next opportunity. Because you don't want to place more than 0.05. So you can place 0.013 trades and leave the remaining 2 down for in case of a new trading opportunity. Or you can choose to enter 0.021 and the 0.011, making 3. Then you leave the 0.02 down for another opportunity. So in case another opportunity presents itself, you can choose to add the 0.02, and then that will sum up to give you 0.05. Or you can choose to enter just one trade with the first opportunity, which is 0.03. Then you leave out the 0.02 down for in case of a new opportunity. Or you can choose to enter one trade with 0.04. Then you leave the 0.014 in case of a new opportunity. So this is the way you can actually manage your lot size, because the lot size you will use will determine how much profit you will make or losses you will make. And so it is very important to know what lot size you are using. So with 0.05, if the person makes 1 pip, that is going to be how much? That's 0.50 cents. 0.05, the person will be making this profit with just 1 trade. You who have entered 5 trades with 0.01, you will also be making the same 0.50 with all these 5 trades. The one who decided to go 0.02, 0.02, and 0.01 will also be making 0.50 with just 1 pip. The person who used 0.03 and 0.02 will also be making the same 50 cents per 1 pip. And the one who used 0.04 and 0.01 together will also be making 0.50 with just 1 pip. So it all boils down to the same thing. I pray you understand this so that you will actually know how to manage your account by using the right lot sizes. So from today, with this explanation, I am sure, sorry, pardon me for this. I am sure you will know what lot size to use that will be appropriate for your account. Because whatever lot size or volume of contract you are going to use, you know what will be the outcome in terms of profit or loss. And once you are able to know that, that is when you will be able to know what lot size to use and how many pips you should target as a take profit or a stop loss. Because the lot size will tell you how much you are making per 1 pip or how much you are losing per 1 pip. So from today, I want you to watch this video over and over again and make sure you master this. All this that I'm teaching you is in my head. I'm taking it off head because I have been doing this since 2017. So it's in my head. And so if I type in any lot size, I know how much is coming out or how much I'm going to lose or make profit. So it should just be at your fingertips. The lot sizes should be at your fingertips. And once you know that, you wouldn't have issues with risk management, because this topic I am treating with you is called risk management. To be able to manage your risk well, you need to know your lot sizes or your volume of contracts. I've told you it's the same thing. volume of contract is the same as lot size, because the lot size will determine how much you will make per 1 pip or how much you will lose per 1 pip. I am sure this video will be very helpful or useful to you as a trader. And from today onwards or henceforth, you'll be able to manage your risk very well so that you come out with good trades, because you know the lot sizes that you are using and you know how much you are risking on your account, how much profit you are going to make or how much profit you are going to what, or a loss you are going to make. Is that clear? Is this okay? If it is okay, if you feel this explanation is better, I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the notification bell so that once we post a new video, you'll be the first to grab it. And hey, if you want one-on-one mentorship, it will cost you just $100. I have a VIP channel. If you want to be part of VIP channel for signals, it's also $100. Payments can be made through Skrill, bank transfer, wire transfer, Western Union, MoneyGram, any other available payments options. Your bank card, if you want to use your bank card to make payment, I have all that available. To either join my VIP group for signals or you join me for one-on-one mentorship. This is Leading Forex YouTube channel. We give you nothing but the best. I'll see you in another video.